Bath Rugby because I'm an African drummer and we have these Parallelephants which we're going to parade around the pitch at half time.
And Molly, how are you feeling?
Good.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Today we are at the Bath Rugby and the Parallelephants are going to perform. We've got the African Drumming Club and I think I'm a little bit more nervous than the children.
How are you? You're going to play well?
Well,
Guys, I look forward to seeing you. How are you? I'm not there. Good to see you.
A few words from the sponsor. How are you feeling today?
Oh, very good. Excellent.
Yes.
Looking forward to seeing a bit of African drumming.
Oh yeah, that'll be on later.
I
Enjoy
will.
the match, sir.
Thanks very much. Cheerio.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
If you lose them or let go of them, you will not get in. Okay, so do not. And we will sort the seats out when we're inside.
Now, still a lot of people to get into the ground, so please keep the walkways clear. Please make your way to your seats now. And if you're in the terracing, please make sure the space is taken up. And cooperate with the stewards in filling the stands. At 18 it's Aaron Jarvis. 19 at Danny Brucock. Then again it's championship match.
Whoa. It's a bit uneven. That's a good way of carrying them, isn't it?
I don't want to see you tapping these drums. But I'll do this, okay, so you need to watch me. You know if I'm doing this is the last one, then we end. Well, what we might do is play Stampede twice, on the way in and on the way off. That's a good idea. And then cuckoo when we're actually there. Yeah. So, how many times are we doing the claps?
Once or twice?
Once, just once. Alright, just once.
Good luck to Richard Winster and the 14s who are going tomorrow at their forthcoming tour.
Paragon School. Perfect. Where can everyone see these elephants?
Okay, well they go to Brokers Wood on Wednesday, and then they're going to go to Durham Park, and then finally to Pride Park Landscape Art.
So the elephants are being auctioned off. Where and when is the auction?
The auction is on the 22nd at the Paragon.
A big thank you to Mrs. May.